Good morning students. Now I will teach you how to make a polyhedron using 20 equilateral triangle. So see, I have already made this model and I will teach you how to make this one. Okay, it's a mathematical model and for your science exhibitions or any innovation project you can show this one. Okay, so this polyhedron has 20 equilateral triangle. I have taken 5 centimeter as side. And for making this I have taken a chart paper, scale, pencil, scissor, fevicol and compass. So first what I will do, I will make 25 centimeter as a line. I will draw the line 25 centimeter. So I draw 25 centimeter. Then I will mark it 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Now using compass I will taking side equal to 5 centimeter. I draw the equilateral triangle. So now I will join the sides. So all are equilateral triangle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 triangle already I have got it. Then I join the vertex. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here at the end I will make another one. So I will get the 10th one. Now I will draw 5 more triangle, taking this as base. So from this side I am taking. So now I will join this one. So here completed 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. I have to draw 5 more triangles. So I can draw like this. So taken 5 centimeter side. So I'll join this one also. So already drawn. So this one is 10th, this is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So each 5 centimeter, each are 5 centimeter side, 20 numbers. So now border. So now we'll join the corner. After drawing, I will remove the extra, any border is there. Okay, so this is over. Now cutting the figure. I will remove the extra portion. So cutting the diagram is over. Now I will folding the side and border. Now sides. Centimeter. aside, you can change the dimensions, no problem. So when you will combine all, okay, so you will get like this a ball with the net diagram, okay, and this one the polyhedron using 20 equilateral triangles. It can be used for your science exhibition, mathematical projects. Thank you.